Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC for Rocket League. First, ensure your controller is fully charged or have a suitable USB to micro USB cable ready. We will cover both wired and wireless options, helping you choose the best method for your gaming setup. Getting your controller connected and ready to play is quite straightforward, so let's begin. For a reliable wired connection, simply connect your PS4 controller to your PC using a standard USB to micro USB cable. Plug the micro USB end into your controller and the USB end into an open port on your computer. Your operating system should typically recognize the device automatically, often installing any required drivers within just a few seconds. This method provides a direct, low-latency connection. If you prefer wireless freedom, ensure your PC has Bluetooth enabled. On your PS4 controller, press and hold both the PlayStation and share buttons together until the light bar flashes quickly. This puts it into pairing mode. Then on your computer, go to your Bluetooth settings, click Add Device, and select your wireless controller from the list. It should connect within a few moments, offering a clean setup. Now, let's configure your controller within Steam for optimal Rocket League performance. Open Steam, navigate to Settings, then Controller, and select General Controller Settings. Make sure to enable PlayStation configuration support, which allows Steam to properly interpret your controller's inputs. You can also utilize Steam's Big Picture mode for more detailed customization, including specific button remapping for your favorite game. This ensures a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.